Hey everyone, my name is Joe Betcher and I'm in charge of the software team here at SlateSafety. Today, I'll be walking you through our new mobile app, SlateSafety Go, which we believe is going to make life much easier for anyone trying to use the SlateSafety web application on the job site to monitor the safety of their team. For those of you who log into our web application on your computer browser, the SlateSafety Go app is going to be a great way for you to get a quick, high-level overview of active bands right from your phone or tablet. To get the app, first you'll need to go to the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and download SlateSafety Go. Once you have the app downloaded and open, you'll see the login screen. To log in here, use the same email and password you use to log in to the web application, and then hit Login. You'll also see we have a Use Offline option. If you do not have cell or Wi-Fi service, then you can use the app offline by tapping Use Offline instead of Login. Being offline means that you won't be able to receive data from faraway bands, but you will still be able to view bands that are nearby. At the very bottom of the login page, you can also tap Help if you need any support. Alright, so for this tutorial, let's log in regularly. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the home page. Any currently active bands will appear here. At the top of the screen, you can see that we are online and able to view bands live. Each band will appear as a card with the name of the wearer, band ID, battery percentage, a movement indicator, exertion, core temperature, HRLV, and heart rate. When a band's card has this cloud symbol, it indicates that you are receiving that worker's data via the internet, usually over a cell or Wi-Fi network. When a band's card has this symbol with two people waving to each other, that indicates that the worker is sending data to you locally, so they must be nearby. One large feature of the SlateSafety Go app is that you can log in offline and monitor the status of your team locally even without cell or Wi-Fi service. As indicated here, the cards are currently sorted by heart rate. The person with the highest heart rate shows up at the top. You can also tap Sort to choose a different metric to sort by. So let's select core temp, for example, and you can see that the bands rearranged to show the highest core temp first. You can also tap Filter if your organization has different groups or individuals that you would like to monitor specifically. For example, you could filter to only view a specific group. The next thing to show is that you can tap on the Notifications tab to view your most recent notifications. While you're using the app, you can receive push notifications in addition to text message notifications that you are used to receiving. You should know that for now, you will not receive push notifications consistently if you're not actively using the SlateSafety Go app. So if you want to ensure that you will receive notifications, you should still sign up as a notification contact in the SlateSafety web application. Next thing to know is that there is a menu. If you tap these three lines in the top left corner, you can select settings and change whether you'd like to view temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. From here, you can get back to the home screen by tapping Home. Also, remember that anytime you're having trouble, you can always select Log Out to go back to the login screen and tap Help at the bottom. For now, these are the main functions of the SlateSafety Go app. By the time you're watching this video, there may be even more features because we are actively working on improving everything. Soon there will be charts that view live data, and eventually there will be the ability to assign and unassign bands. That's all for now. Thanks for watching our tutorial. We're excited to launch SlateSafety Go, and we look forward to hearing your feedback. Thank you.